Then question number third. In a magic square, the sum of number in each row. This is row, this is column, and this is diagonal. So it is a magic square or not. So this is row, right? This is column, and this is diagonal. This is row, this is column, and this is diagonal. So in magic square, rows, column and diagonal, all three are equal. So we can say that it is a magic square. If this row, column and diagonal is not equal, so it is not a magic square. So in this question, row is 3 row, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, column 1 row, 2, 3 column, and this end is diagonal. Okay. So first, in a row, first in a row, 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11, right? In denominator 11, 11, 11. So you have to take LCM 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. 4 divided by 1, 4. Same 11 divided by 11 and 9 divided by 1, 9. And then 11 divided by 11, 1 and 2 divided by 2. So that is 15 upon 11. If denominator is same, so you have to add all above value. Numerator value you have to directly add if denominator is same. Second is 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 equal to, you have to take LCM 11. So above value you have to add numerator all value. So 5, 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 15 upon 11. And last is third row, that is 8 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. You have to take LCM 11, denominator value same. So 8 plus 1 plus 6, right? So 15 upon 11, right, in a row. Second is in a column. In a column. In a column. Column is 1, 2, 3. First column 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. We have to take LCM 11. All numerator value add 4 plus 3 plus 8. So that is 7. 7 plus 8, 15 upon 11. Right? Then second is 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 1 upon 11. 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 1 upon 11. You have to take LCM 11. All numerator value add 5 plus 1, that is 15 upon 11. Right? Third is 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. You have to take LCM 11. All numerator value add 2 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15 upon 11. Right? In a row, in a column, and last in a diagonal. In a diagonal. In this square, what is diagonal? 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. You have to take LCM 11. So 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15 upon 11, right? Second is 2 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. So you have to take LCM 11, add all numerator value, I plus 2 10, I plus 2 7, 7 plus 8, 15 upon 11. So in a row 15 upon 11 come, in a column 15 upon 11 come, in a diagonal 15 upon 11 come. So row equal to column equal to diagonal equal to 15 upon 11. So it is a magic square, right? Because rows equal to column equal to diagonal 15 upon 11, so it is a magic square. Okay. In question number 4, a rectangular sheet of paper. Rectangular sheet of paper means this is rectangular. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long. This is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Wide means breadth. So find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So length is length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter. 12 1 upon 2, 12 into 24, 24 1 plus 25 upon 2 centimeter. Then breadth of rectangle, that is 10 2 upon 3 centimeter. 10 into 3 30, 30 plus 2 32 upon 3 centimeter, right? So you have to find perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Okay, so 2, what is length? 25 upon 2 centimeter plus breadth is 32 upon 3 centimeter, right? So 25 upon 2, 25 into 2 50, 50 upon 2 centimeter plus 2 into 32, 32 into 2 64 upon 3 centimeter, right? 2 multiplied by 25, 25 into 2 50 upon 2, 52 upon centimeter at 35 multiplied by 2 64 upon 3, 64 upon 3 centimeter. You have to take LCM 2 and 3, that is 6. 2 divided by 6 3, 3 multiplied by 50 150 centimeter plus 3 divided by 6 2, 64 multiplied by 2 128 centimeter. You have to add 128 plus 158, 5 plus 2 7, 278 upon 6, 278 upon 6 centimeter, or this is improper fraction or you write proper fraction. So 6 divided by 278, 6 3 are 24, 38, 6 6 are 36, 2 upon 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is perimeter of rectangle. This is perimeter of rectangle, 36 is 2 upon 6 centimeter. Okay. In question number 5, to find perimeter of angle ABC and find perimeter of this is rectangle BCDE. Which perimeter is greater? And this is figure ABE. This is rectangle. Now this is triangle and this is rectangle. So what is perimeter? Perimeter means you have to add all four sides. In rectangle 4 sides, or you have to add all 4 sides, or you have to apply formula to length plus breadth. Or in triangle 3 side is there. In 3 sides you have to add all 3 sides. So first perimeter of and triangle ABE. This is triangle. First find perimeter of triangle ABE. In ABE 3 sides, 5 upon 2 sides you have to add all 4 sides. Means AB plus BE plus E. Right? In AB, what is AB? 5 upon 2 centimeter plus BE 3 upon 4 centimeter plus AE. AE how much? 3 upon 5 centimeter. Right? So 5 upon 2 centimeter plus 4 into 2 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 centimeter plus 5 into 3 15 plus 3 18 upon 5 centimeter. Okay, so you have to take LCM 2 4 and 5. So LCM of 2 4 and 5, 2 4 and 5 divided by 2 1 2 5, then divided by 2 1 1 5, then 5 1 1 1. So 5 into 2 10, 10 into 2 20. So LCM of 2 4 and 5 is 20. 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 20, 10 times 10 into 5 50 plus 4 divided by 20, 5 times 5 into 11 55 plus 5 divided by 20, 4 times 18 into 4, that is 72 centimeter. So 55 you have to add all 3. 55 you have to add all 3. 50 55 and 72. 5 plus 2 7, 5 5 10, 10 plus 7 7 1 7 7. So 177 upon 20. Or you have to change into mixed fraction. So 20 divided by 177. 28 ja 160 1 7. So first write quotient is 8, then remainder, and then divided. So 8 17 upon 20, right? Then second part is perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, that is BCDE. BCDE. 2 length plus breadth. 2 length is 3 upon 4 centimeter plus breadth is 7 upon 6 centimeter. 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 centimeter plus 7 upon 6 centimeter. Okay, then you have to take LCM. 4 and 6, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 into 4 divided by 12, 3 times 3 into 11, 33 plus 6 divided by 12, 2 times 7 into 2, 14 centimeter. 14 plus 33, 47. When this bracket removed, you have to change multiply. When bracket removed, you have to put multiply sign, and 14 plus 33, 47 upon 12. So 2 6 12, 47 upon 6. 47 upon 6 means 60 divided by 47. 7 6 42, 5. So first we have to write first quotient, then remainder, and then divisor. 6 5 upon 6. So which value is greater? In this question, which value is greater? In previous value, perimeter of triangle ABC equal to 8 17 upon 20, and this 6 5 upon 6. So perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Means perimeter of ABC how much? 8 17 upon 20 is greater than 6 5 upon 6. ठीक है? This is 7, right? So this is also 7. 6 divided by 47 means 6 divided by 47. 7 into 6 42 and 5. So 7 5 remainder, and then 6 divisor. Rest 3 question is your homework.